If you watching this video right now, you probably do drop shipping. And imagine if you had product or products like these here, and you see they're $90, over $100. But what if we got the exact same products? I'm talking about the same everything, or very, very similar for a fraction of the price. The only thing that's different is who I'm buying them from. I got the plug and show you exactly how you can get the same products or very similar products for the low. And let's be honest, almost everybody is buying from the same 3 websites: AliExpress, Temu, and then whatever third site is trending on TikTok that month. What that means is you're gonna get the same shipping times, the same products, the same pictures, the same style of ads, because everything's the same, it's from the same person. But what if you shop somewhere different? And I present to you premium products, but from a different party, made in China. Yeah, it's still coming from China, but this company is connecting buyers with Chinese suppliers directly. So you're gonna be able to speak to the plug directly. And as you see, be able to get some good and great products for a fraction of the cost. See, made in China is gonna be helping you get in touch with the middleman versus speaking to the factory. AliExpress, Temu, they have all the market share, but with made in China, you're gonna be able to speak directly to the manufacturers themselves because they deal directly with B2B. You see what I'm saying? And they even have this brand new feature, a Chrome extension. And as you see right here, it says it's a sourcing lens. And so what this is in 1 second, you can find an identical or similar product from an image, a text, whatever, bro. And you'll be able to compare prices, specs, and everything side by side. Look, let's install it together. Okay, and as you see, we're right here on the Chrome extension page. And it's simple, bro. You just press add to Chrome and boom, they let you know it's already ready to go. Now I went ahead and pinned it. So now it'll show my top bar right here. And if you want to see what you get with adding this extension, you get product search, you get search by image to compare products and suppliers easily. And all of these things you can see right down here. And so it even shows you how to use it. Install the extension, add the sourcing lens to your Chrome and pin it to the browser. And we can browse any website and search products. So let's give it a test right here. Oh, duh, it's that simple. Okay, so when you go ahead to any product, you're gonna be crazy like me. You click it in your toolbar and you think it's working and you're like, man, what am I supposed to do? But I got you. So essentially all you do is hover over the product and you see this little magnifying glass. It literally says find similar. Press it. Bro, look how fired it is. I pressed the button and look at this, gang. It shows me the exact product. So y'all see it right here. It was about $43 and they have very similar ones for $42.10, $14, $12, $25. Bro, this is crazy. Nah, this is OD. And you can even break it down by different capacities. So your own brand, all of these different things. I'm not a guru of drop shipping, so I'll leave that to y'all boys. But right here, you see this extension works with all sorts of stuff. Let's try this one here. We click find similar, and in one click, bro, this is $174, $120, $80, $29, bro. This is next level. So this is called sourcing lens from made in China. And whenever you're done, you just press the X. So, but I do want to show you something is if you click these things, we can compare prices now. So let's click a couple of these and let's go to compare. And I got to tell y'all boys, this is cooking AliExpress so far. Look at this. All of my products that I selected are here. I scroll down, it has the prices of each, the lowest prices of each. It has the minimum order that you can do. And again, this is connecting you directly to businesses, the product attributes, all the supplier information. And like I said, just from that one extension, now you can go ahead and get tapped in and speak directly to the manufacturer. So if you want to know who the manufacturer is, you can literally click this name. And the next thing you know, you talking to Baron Home Appliance Technology. Bro, this is next level. And it shows you everything about them and all the products they have as well. And I know what you're thinking, but does it work on Etsy and other places? Yep, I'm on here Etsy right now. And as you see, everything I click or hover over, we got the find similar button. Let's press it. And boom, soon as I press it, you see tons of awesome alternatives to compare, bro. This is fire. I'm literally impressed, bro. Y'all got to try this. Yeah, so no matter what time you watch this, you up late like me, you looking for some ways to make money, your brain is always churning. If you have a business and you want to connect yourself with other businesses or you want products for your business, bro, this just showed you how to compare prices in a second, 1 second. I press the button, give me results. 1 second, results. It's crazy, it's next level, made in China. Y'all want it? I suggest you tap into the extension. It's free, costs nothing, no subscription, no hidden fees, nothing, bro. It's literally simple. You sign up, and I'll have and I'm gonna have the link below in the description for y'all boys, so y'all can sign up and check it out for free. Yes, I said free. Y'all know y'all don't want to pay money for nothing. We get it. No subscription, no account. Add this to your Chrome extension and let me know how you like it. This is drop shipping for beginners. Let me know what you think.